there, Kenny. That's right, it's going to be the Ginger's Parrots Grand Opening event. You see, Ginger moved the rescue to a new location. She built this whole new custom house with the split bird section off from her personal living space. And it's quite amazing, and I'm really excited to get to come out there and see it as well. Now, Kenny and the flock of Senegals at Ginger's Parrots Rescue is inviting you to come and join us at the Ginger's Parrots Rescue Grand Opening event and open house on March 9th and 10th. I'm Michael Sazin, the Parrot Wizard, and this is Keely, my Senegal parrot, and Truman, my Cape parrot, and we're going to be doing presentations at the Ginger's Parrots Rescue Grand Opening event on Saturday, March 9th. Also, we're going to be participating and helping out at the open house on March 10th. Wow, Kenny, those are some real exciting events going on, and Keely and Truman will be showing tricks and doing presentations, so it's a great chance to get to meet the parrots at Ginger's Parrots Rescue, get to see me and Keely and Truman perform, come to listen to our talks, and have a great time while supporting a fantastic cause. Follow Ginger's Parrots on Facebook and visit gingersparrots.org for more information about the grand opening event, location, and details. So Keely, Truman, Kenny, and the flock at Ginger's Parrots Rescue looks forward to seeing many of you there at the Ginger's Parrots Rescue grand opening event on March 9th and 10th in Casa Grande, Arizona, near Phoenix.